Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a cotton candy stand. First, gather your essential materials: PVC pipes, various connectors, and a strong, stable base. You will also need your cotton candy machine, delicious sugar floss, and plenty of cones. Carefully measure and cut your PVC pipes to the desired lengths, forming the foundational pieces for your stand's frame. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth and successful building process, ensuring everything fits perfectly. Now, let's assemble the frame. Begin by connecting your measured PVC pipes using 3-way and 4-way connectors. These specialized pieces ensure your stand is incredibly stable and secure. It is vital to firmly secure the base to prevent any tipping, especially when the machine is running. For a truly robust structure, use PVC cement to permanently join all the pieces together, creating a durable and long-lasting frame. With the frame complete, it is time to integrate your cotton candy machine. Securely attach a sturdy countertop or shelf to hold the machine firmly in place. Next, incorporate a clear acrylic shield around the machine. This shield is essential for protecting the delicate sugar floss from external elements and maintaining excellent hygiene. Finally, design a visually appealing display area for your empty cones and the delightful finished cotton candy products. Your stand is almost ready. Now, add some vibrant decorations and appealing signage to attract customers from afar. Before serving, thoroughly test your cotton candy machine and double-check that all components are stable and safe for operation. Once everything is perfect, you can confidently begin making delicious, fluffy cotton candy. Get ready to offer a delightful, sweet treat to everyone who visits your fantastic new stand.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.